So this is the bedroom. We have a cable running behind the TV that we've just installed. It goes down, underneath, through this cupboard, in the existing trunking with another cable, and over there into the little round box. Then on the other side of the wall, another round box running into a pipe. We still need to secure the pipe into another round box through the wall again. Right, so here on the other side of the wall again, it's running into a pipe, and we still need to secure the pipe. So this part is secured, and behind the curtain, that's where the pipe ends, and then over here is where the power is coming from. Okay, so we've got the Wi-Fi over there now. There was the cable was running over here. You can see there where the glue gun came off, and there was a little Wi-Fi wall plug unit, but it wasn't powered from the batteries. So then this one is getting power and data through the network cable, and unfortunately we've had to mount it upside down for the cable to enter from the bottom. But now it's getting power through our little inverter. So both TVs are being powered from this unit, and the main Wi-Fi over there, as well as our extra UFO on the wall, will all keep running throughout power outages. So now, of course, we couldn't just leave it unfinished like that. The pipes are now secured.